Hi guys, it's Catimbang. If you wanna know how I did this look, then just keep on watching. To prep my skin, I'll just go ahead and use Nature Republic's Aloe Vera Gel. Since I don't like wearing foundation on a daily basis, I'll just go ahead and use my Belo Tinted Sunscreen with SPF 50. I'll be using my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer to hide imperfection and highlight some part of my face. As for my blush, I'm just going to use Colourette Cosmetics Coloursnap in the shade Waves. I'll be setting my face with AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder in the shade Banana. I will just dust this all over my face. I'll be using BECCA x CHRISSY TEIGEN Glow Palette to bronze up my face a little. As for my brows, I will just outline it with Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit Cosmetics. I'll be setting my brows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo in the shade Medium Brown. To make it last all day, I'll be using Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow Volumizing Brow Gel. I'll be using Colourette Cosmetics Colourtint in the shade Maya for my eyeshadow. I'll just dot it all over my eyes and then blend it with my fingers. For my lashes, I'll be using Maybelline's Hypercurl Mascara because it's waterproof and smudge-proof. As for my favorite part, highlighting, I'll be using two products. First is the Colourette Cosmetic Shimmertint in Yellow Diamond. Since it's a liquid highlighter, I'll be setting it with BECCA Glow Palette. To achieve gradient lips, I'll be using two products. First is the Careline Kiss Sticks in the shade Vacay, the Stilla liquid lipstick in the shade Bacca. Here you go guys, this is the final look, and if you like it, please comment, like, and subscribe. See you on my next one. Bye!